I'm at Chuck E. Cheese's at Oceanside, California, and it's 10:30 a.m. and it's Saturday today, and it's open right now, and I didn't know gardeners are here since I went inside the place. But now, today is Saturday, March 23rd, 2024, and I'm going to pull down the fire alarm switch. Ha 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 ha.
What's all that racket? Mr. Draper, the fire alarm went off. Really? What is it? I heard the fire alarm going off. Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, now they're evacuating right now, and SWATs are here, and they're about to fight me, and SWATs are about to fight kids right now, along with Penguin Goon and Penguin Henchman, and Chuck E. Cheese employee uses the annunciator to silence the alarm until system is normal. What did I see? Oh, now the enemy's fighting kids, because the fire alarm goes off, and what did I see? Now factory worker, gardener and penguin goon fighting kids, because the fire alarm goes off, but I have to deal with it. Check this out. Watch this. Now that's more like it. You kids can play. Let's see what's on here.
Ranger Beach and Bugs getting the scene bidding theory lobits. Chirayo Ranger Beach and Bugs getting the scene bidding there, yellow buds. Chirayo Ranger Beach and Bugs getting the scene bidding there, yellow buds. Chirayo Ranger Beach and Bugs getting the scene bidding there, yellow buds. Chirayo Ranger Beach and Bugs he seen bidding there yellow bits. Cherry, orange, peach and apple are female bugs are skating the ice and biting their yellow butts.
Oh, now the TVs are on. Very nice.
Yo, Junior, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's? You know pulling down the fire alarm switch is not allowed to do that at all. That's it. Go home right now.